Hey friends, we just got to the Swan at Disney. We're staying here for 2 nights and we love the close proximity to the boardwalk, to studios, to Epcot. We can walk or take a boat to everything. We parked our car, hubby valeted it, and now we get to enjoy being at Disney. So excited. So 2 nights here and then we're moving over to Boardwalk. If you want to see my room tour of our DVC 1-bedroom at Boardwalk, I'll be sharing a video all about that. Make sure you're subscribed so you can check all the content coming for the Disney Mama, which is me. And I don't know what else I'm going to say. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. All right, here's our room. You walk right in and we've got a door here with some storage. Let me show you. We've got a safe, an ironing board, iron, pillows, lots of storage. Not for an extended stay, but enough. Some cool artwork. Looks like there's a sink, towels, all the toiletry is really pretty in here. And then we have a shower, oh my gosh, with a rain shower head and a tub, which is nice. But I don't think I showed you, there's 2 sinks. So we got this one and this one. So you can have someone in here getting ready while someone's showering. It's really, really nice. Okay, let's go in the room here. We have a lock-off room, so if you want to double the room, you can. We have a TV, some cute kids that are excited to be at Disney. And then the reason why we chose the Swan this time instead of the Dolphin was queen beds. Our kids are growing up. We need a little more space. So we're only here 2 nights, but we've got a little bit more space here. We've got some artwork. It's kind of hard to see, but it's like water droplets. And then a headboard, and it looks like there's some water and cups and coffee and cream. We've got plugs. I don't see USBs, but I do see plugs, so you can charge your phone. We've got a clock and a phone and a big light. And then over there on this side, we have a chair. And then the view, I'll just have to take my word for it, it's gorgeous. We can see the boardwalk and Tower of Terror. We have a desk and a chair, and then storage. Now I know under here on this side is a fridge, because, you wanna open that for me?
Or why not?
There it is. So we brought lots of fun stuff for breakfast and just some things. Yeah, that's nice. And then we have some storage in here, which we're not going to get totally unpacked because we're moving over to Boardwalk after a couple days. So thanks, Ethan. All right, so we got lots of lamps. And let's see if we can show you. See way over there, that's Tower of Terror right there. And then there's some waterway. It's a little hard to see with the reflection. It's actually very hard. Let's see if I can show right here. Over there is the boardwalk. So that's a whole lot better, you can see. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one. And if you want to see more of our Disney adventures. Alright, bye guys.